Alright, gonna do a cold start video. Truck's been sitting outside for about 10 hours. This morning on the way to work, it didn't get fully warmed up. It was probably about 175 degrees. It's had 10 hours in low teen temperatures to cool off. Currently it is about 13 degrees Fahrenheit, 1 degree wind chill, and I'm going to cold start. So just to document current state, this is with the Omega Plus Moose pump. Got about 19:1 compression because I have the 10 thousandths shorter pistons, 10 thousandths over gaskets. The glow plugs are Bosch Duraterms, and they are still run by the computer. The computer doesn't have any sensors controlling it, so it runs full cold. And I'm just going to let the glow plugs go to full time because it's going to need it, I think. So this is the first time I've let it sit outside for this long, and based on earlier starting experiences, it's going to start, but it's going to chug for a bit. So we'll just see how it works. Here we go. Oops. Sorry about the radio. So that fired right up. I'm not sure how this is showing up in the video, but it's running smooth, and then it's chugging. That's why the video is shaking right now. Go outside, I'm sure we can see some unburnt fuel. Hear it now. So it's starting right up, no problem. But then it's not very happy to run. And I've had this happen before with cold, and it continues to do it for quite a while. But as soon as I drive off and I put the engine under some load so it gets some heat in the free cups, it clears right up. So I'll try to keep this running while I take off, and we'll see if you guys can experience that with me. But overall, also I have the Powermaster starter. Overall, 19:1 compression, this pump, these glow plugs, this temp, it's not too bad. If it gets colder, sits longer, maybe worse, I don't know. So I'm going to take off. Got no problems taking off. It's definitely not hitting on all 8, but it works well enough to drive. Give it a little gas, and it did spin the tires because it's slick out. It's still not hitting on all 8.